If you're looking for waterproof earbuds that come with its own charging case, then look no further than the Tozo T10 wireless earbuds. Today we're unboxing this product to see if this is something you'd be interested in picking up. The Tozo 10T earbuds 8mm large size speaker driver delivers a powerful bass, mellow mid-range, and clear treble which reproduces music vividly. It comes with the Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which means that your devices can instantly pair and have stable transmission without interruptions. The earbuds and charging case have inner nano coating, making it waterproof for up to 1 meter deep for about 30 minutes. It's not designed to go swimming in, but it has waterproof and sweat-proof technology, which can effectively prevent the earbuds from damage due to sweat or raindrops. You can get over 6 hours of playtime from one single charge and a total of 30 hours with the charging case. It works with Androids and iPhone devices. If you're looking for durable wireless earbuds that give you rich sound and is waterproof, then consider picking up this product. Hope this was helpful in making your decision.